What's up guys, this is Start With Why back with another video and a new haircut. So in our last video, pinakita ko sa inyo kung paano magsabi ng mga days of the month in Japanese from the 1st of the month to the 10th of the month. I-continue natin ngayon. We're gonna start with the 11th day of the month. So after the 10th day of the month, all we have to do is say the number of the day followed by nichi. There's a couple of exceptions in there though, so try to see if you can spot them. Ready? 11日、12日、13日、14日、15日、16日、17日、18日、19日、20日、21日、22日、23日、24日、25日、26日、27日、28日、29日、30日。Did you spot the exceptions? Write them down in the comment section.